Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix notification problem on Android. Let's get started. First, open settings and go to notifications or app notifications, then find the app that's not sending alerts like WhatsApp, Messenger, or Gmail. And make sure allow notification is turned on. You can also enable sound, pop-up, or lock screen notification if they're off. Sometimes Android limits background activity to save battery. What you need to do is go to Settings, then Battery Optimization. Find the app and select Don't Optimize. This helps apps send notifications even when they're not open. If you still don't get notification, restart your phone and make sure your apps and system are updated to the latest version. Outdated version can cause issues with push notifications. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.